Pro 2 Dual Battery Bundle is a high-performance action camera engineered for those seeking unparalleled video quality and functionality. Co-engineered with Leica, this camera delivers 8K video resolution, ensuring every moment is captured in crisp, stunning detail. Its 1/1.3-inch sensor excels in low-light environments, providing superior clarity even in dim settings. Designed with motorcyclists in mind, the Ace Pro 2 offers remarkable stabilization, capturing smooth footage regardless of the terrain or speed. Breeze Care offers an innovative approach to hair care and styling with its multi-purpose portable design. This sleek and practical device provides the flexibility of natural wind drying, which reduces heat damage to your hair while maintaining moisture. Equipped with 4 powerful fans, it ensures rapid drying, making it an ideal tool for those on the go. Its UVC LED function not only enhances the drying process, but also works as a sanitizer, helping to maintain cleaner, healthier hair. The POW Audio Mo collapsible magnetic Bluetooth speaker brings impressive sound quality in a compact, versatile design. Featuring a 10-watt output, it delivers crisp, clear audio for various environments, whether indoors or outdoors. The speaker's collapsible design makes it highly portable, allowing you to easily store or carry it while traveling. With a robust 100-foot Bluetooth range, you can move around freely while enjoying uninterrupted music. The Samsung Galaxy X Cover 6 Pro 5G is designed for professionals who demand durability and high performance. Built to withstand tough conditions, it passes MIL STD 810H testing and a 1.5-meter drop test, with an IP68 rating ensuring it's resistant to dust, dirt, sand, and water. Whether in extreme environments or everyday use, the X Cover 6 Pro keeps working. Katas has redefined portability and performance with the Mind, a powerful yet compact device designed for the modern creator. Weighing just 0.99 pounds and smaller than an A4 sheet, the Mind delivers impressive mobility without compromising on power. Equipped with a 5.55 watt-hour battery, it offers up to 25 hours of sleep mode, ensuring you're always prepared for your next creative challenge. When desk clutter drains your focus and cables tangle your routine, there's finally a smarter solution that powers through the chaos. Meet the charging mat that transforms your workspace into a wireless command center. Engineered with a large charging area, this mat utilizes high-frequency electromagnetic resonance charging technology to deliver fast, efficient power across multiple devices. Whether you're topping off your phone, earbuds, or smartwatch, its Qi charging capability ensures seamless compatibility with today's most popular wireless devices. Restless nights steal energy from your days. Hootie changes everything. This next-gen anti-snore pillow uses bone conduction technology and real-time AI monitoring to gently guide you into quieter sleep. Designed with a fully integrated structure, Hootie doesn't just track snoring. It understands it. Inside, a dynamic airbag system adjusts the pillow's contour based on your sleeping position, subtly shifting your head to open airways without waking you. In aerial cinematography, clarity, control, and endurance define excellence, and the DJI Air 3S raises that bar. Tailored for serious travelers and photographers, this drone introduces a refined 1-inch CMOS main camera that captures sharp, expressive imagery, even in dimly lit moments like dusk and nighttime. Shoot in cinematic 4K at 60 frames per second with HDR, unleashing up to 14 stops of dynamic range to showcase cloud layers, reflections, and fine textures with clarity. When the dust settles and streaks blur your view, the Hut W8 stands ready to reset clarity with every pass. Whether tackling pollen buildup or city grime, the 3,800 Pascal suction power keeps it firmly anchored to glass, ensuring a streak-free finish on vertical surfaces. Its dual water spray system applies just the right amount of mist to soften debris before the microfiber pads do the rest. Tucked into any workspace with ease, this compact cutting machine brings professional-level creativity to your fingertips without demanding a large footprint. With its ability to handle over 50 materials, including vinyl, iron-on, and cardstock, it's the perfect tool for crafting everything from custom decals to greeting cards and labels. Despite its small size, it delivers sharp, detailed cuts and intricate patterns that rival larger machines. Striking a balance between futuristic design and practical function, this speaker redefines what a modern audio device should look and sound like. The Gravistar Supernova doesn't just play music, it turns any space into a performance stage. Housed in a rugged zinc alloy shell with mechanical accents, it's built for both aesthetics and durability. Measuring approximately 5.9 inches in height, this compact unit fits effortlessly on a desk, nightstand, or picnic table. Unleash creative potential without the clutter of multiple devices. The Leany PixCut S1 merges three essential tools: printer, laminator, and cutter into a single compact powerhouse. With its patented print laminate cut automation, you can turn a single sheet of paper into a durable, waterproof sticker in under 2 minutes. No manual feeding, no machine swaps, just load your design and let the PixCut S1 do the rest. The Wonderblock's Smart Pollinator Observatory transforms any backyard into a vibrant hub for nature observation. This innovative device seamlessly combines cutting-edge technology with environmental awareness, offering users a unique way to attract and monitor local pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Designed to be simple yet highly effective, the observatory utilizes sensors to detect pollinator activity, providing real-time data about the species visiting your garden. The XGIMI Elfin Mini Projector is a powerful and compact solution for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment setup. This ultra-compact device supports 1080p resolution with 4K input, ensuring crisp and clear visuals whether you're watching movies, gaming, or giving presentations. The projector's 600 ISO lumens provide bright and vivid images, even in well-lit rooms, while the HDR10 technology enhances color and contrast for a more immersive viewing experience. Forged for peak performance in a footprint that barely claims your desktop, the Tecno Mega Mini Gaming G1 fuses raw speed, advanced cooling, and sleek design. At its core is the Intel Core i9-1390H processor, built with 14 cores, 20 threads, and a turbo boost of 5.4 GHz. Backed by 24 MB Intel Smart Cache, it handles intensive multitasking and AAA gaming with unrelenting ease. The Vaultec Smart Station redefines security with cutting-edge innovation and a sleek, modern design. Featuring a top-mounted wireless charging pad, it allows you to effortlessly power your devices while keeping your valuables safe. Equipped with USB and USB-C charging ports, the Smart Station ensures your accessories stay charged and within reach. The customizable LED display adds a personal touch, allowing you to adjust the interface for a tailored experience. The Fantic Slim Vive 8 is an efficient, portable cleaning tool designed to tackle dirt and debris wherever it accumulates. With a powerful 19,000 Pascal suction power, this mini cordless vacuum makes quick work of cleaning your car, office desk, or even keyboards. Equipped with 2 suction modes, the Slim V8 offers versatility for different cleaning tasks, whether you're handling light dust or more stubborn debris. The OpenRock Bluetooth 5.3 wireless over-ear earbuds stand out as a powerful companion for a variety of activities, offering an exceptional balance of performance and durability. Designed with a long-lasting 60-hour playtime, these earbuds ensure you stay immersed in your music, podcasts, or calls without constantly needing to recharge. The deep bass feature enhances your audio experience, delivering crisp, rich sound that brings your entertainment to life. In the chaos of travel or a spontaneous moment outdoors, having a reliable tripod you can trust isn't always guaranteed, unless you've got the Yoga Pod. Built to be flat, durable, and astonishingly compact, the Yoga Pod is a refreshing reimagining of the mini tripod. Its precision-machined body tucks neatly into a bag or even a jacket pocket, ready whenever the moment calls. What makes it different? It can hold your camera vertically without needing a bulky ball head. The Nikasa Kitchen Composter is designed to streamline the composting process with convenience and efficiency. Featuring a 12-liter capacity, it can handle up to 3.5 pounds of waste per day, allowing you to go over 10 days without the need for waste disposal. The result is more than 7.5 pounds of nutrient-rich organic fertilizer, which can support sustainable gardening or lawn care. What sets this composter apart is its ability to complete the composting process in just 48 hours. In a world driven by precision and adaptive technology, the Wearabot Pinot lamp redefines intelligent illumination. Unlike static desk lights, this robot lamp automatically tracks human faces and moving objects with seamless motion. It's equipped with built-in AI that adjusts its lighting angle in real time, offering consistent brightness exactly where it's needed. Whether you're on a Zoom call, recording a video, or reading, the Pinot lamp keeps you perfectly lit without manual adjustment. The MLR Digital Kitchen Food Scale offers precision and convenience, ideal for baking, cooking, or meal prepping. With a maximum capacity of 22 pounds, it ensures accurate weight measurements for both large and small quantities. Its chargeable LED display provides clear and bright readings in ounces and grams, making it easy to use in any kitchen environment. The scale is equipped with a USB-C rechargeable battery, ensuring long-lasting power without the need for frequent battery replacements. The Lenercom Energon Max Portable Power Station redefines convenience and reliability for off-grid power solutions. Boasting an impressive 3,686 watt-hour capacity, it delivers a robust 3,600 watt output with 5 120-volt AC outlets, making it ideal for both home use and outdoor adventures. Whether you're powering up electronics, lights, or appliances during a power outage or exploring remote camping sites, the Energon Max ensures that you stay connected and powered up. From sunrise runs to late-night check-ins, the Huawei Watch Fit 3 keeps pace with every beat of your day. Crafted with a sleek 9.9mm ultra-slim profile and weighing just 0.91 ounces, this aluminum alloy smartwatch blends modern minimalism with next-gen tech. Its 1.82-inch AMOLED display delivers up to 1,500 nits of brightness, a crisp 347 ppi resolution, and a 60 Hz refresh rate. No more awkward fits or cramped corners. Petlux 5.3 brings true comfort and space to your cat's daily routine. Built for larger breeds and multi-cat households, it redefines what a litter box should be. The days of scooping, scrubbing, and deodorizing are over. This drum-based system offers a massive 100 liters of space with an 18.9-inch inner diameter, ideal for cats over 30 pounds. Mornings feel richer when your kitchen holds a tool that treats each slice of bread like a work of art. Designed with groundbreaking innovation, the Balmuda. The Toaster Pro elevates toasting into an experience of flavor and texture. Instead of using dry heat alone, it begins with a delicate pour of 5 cubic centimeters of water. This water transforms into steam, wrapping your bread in a gentle mist that protects moisture inside while creating a beautifully crisp exterior. Whether you're gearing up for a weekend hike, a late-night campsite jam, or unexpected roadside repairs, the Flamp U1 is engineered to handle it all, combining cutting-edge illumination with rugged audio performance in one compact EDC essential. Built for adventurers who value versatility without compromise, this all-in-one flashlight and Bluetooth speaker redefines how you prepare for the unknown. With a blazing 2,300 lumen main beam and a secondary adjustable light, visibility never takes a back seat. When lawn care meets machine intelligence, the result is precision without compromise. The AirSeekers Tron transforms how homeowners approach yard work. Engineered for complex yards, this smart device navigates seamlessly with 360-degree AI vision navigation, identifying obstacles and rerouting with smart collision avoidance. No bumping, no guessing. Unlike traditional systems, there's no need for perimeter wiring or dealing with signal issues. Loomis introduces cutting-edge 2D pupil expansion reflective waveguide technology, setting a new standard for optical efficiency and scalability. This breakthrough design offers 3 to 10 times the efficiency of traditional diffractive waveguides, revolutionizing optical performance. By leveraging geometric waveguides, Loomis has achieved significant advancements in both quality and manufacturing capabilities. One of the key advantages of Loomis's reflective waveguides is their compatibility with mass production techniques. When recovery demands speed and precision, the Chill Shark delivers a cold plunge system that works as hard as you do. Designed for high-performance lifestyles, this portable chiller turns any standard tub into an elite ice bath. With industrial-grade engineering and a commitment to US-based manufacturing, the Chill Shark blends form, function, and power, bringing the benefits of cold therapy into your daily regimen without compromise. Its military-grade chiller rapidly cools water and maintains consistent temperatures for sustained plunges. A refined centerpiece with surprising versatility, this multifunctional coffee table isn't just furniture, it's an experience in everyday convenience. Designed to serve more than one purpose, it transforms effortlessly from a classic table into a smart work or dining surface. Thanks to its smooth lift-top design, you get a flexible platform that adapts to your rhythm, whether you're powering through work emails or enjoying takeout on the couch. Measuring in at an ideal living room scale, it combines elegance with efficiency. When ordinary projections fall flat, this innovative 3D projector transforms your space into something alive. Designed for everyday settings, it pushes beyond the boundaries of traditional displays with immersive, glasses-free 3D. It's not just a projector, it's a portal. Featuring over 50 dynamic 3D themes, it shifts effortlessly between forest serenity, ocean depth, galactic vistas, and vibrant festivals. Whether you're setting the tone for a gathering, winding down for sleep, or diving into a meditative moment, it adapts to your mood and surroundings. Transform your fitness routine with the Muscle Rail Board, a compact and efficient solution for home workouts. This all-in-one gym setup is designed to provide a comprehensive training experience in a space-saving package. The Muscle Rail Board combines the functionality of multiple fitness tools into one sleek device, allowing you to perform a variety of exercises without the need for bulky equipment.